Ooh, back on the bench is the Micro Seki. I decided to look on eBay, see if there were any parts available, and I think I may have found this actually before I did the repair on this. And this was 30 bucks. So I bought the Tonearm, and I'm going to pop this thing on here and see how it works. I'm just looking at, I think I looked at this before. Yeah, there's nothing down there. There's no, okay, anyway, I'm going to pop this over, or turn this over, pop the back off, and then we'll go through the steps required to replace the Tonearm. Alright, so it looks like, just looking at the bottom of this, oh, there are 2 screws on the top. Oh, 3 screws. 3 screws on the top. 1, 2, 3. So first I'm going to make sure I have all my wires here, and I do. Remove. So it's red, green, blue, black. Now what is that? Red, green, and we have white, white, blue, red, green, and then we have 2 others. Trying to figure out what wires are going where. Red, green, white, and then blue, and then 2, it's like might be 2 brown or black, so. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Oh, I forgot to turn the camera back on, but anyway, I removed the Tonearm wires. Dogs are barking on cue, which is what they do. Should pop right out of there. Alright. Yeah, that's, I mean, it's loose enough, but this, I should have, when that broke, I should have tried to repair that. But at the time, I had different plans for this, other plans for this turntable. So, let's do this. Sit down like so. Get those lined up. What the heck? Oh, this has... Oh, it's missing the Tonearm stand. I was wondering what that 4th hole is there for. All right. So now I can get these lined up, and they are. Oops. screwdriver's just a little bit too big for that. Just want to see how this works before I get too crazy here. Oh yeah, nice. All right, dogs are freaking out. I'm gonna have to pause this. All right, moment of truth. Tonearm's up, turntable's on, tonearm's down, and we have sound. Sounds good. All right. Had a little bit of a ground, a little bit of a hum issue that I had to figure out here, but sweet. Now I do have a search out for the spindle, that spindle housing, but I'll probably never, well, I shouldn't say I'll never find it because I didn't think I would find a Tonearm. So anyway, I'm not real excited by the way I have to have the Tonearm set up, but this cartridge is pretty light. I may put a heavier one on here. I don't know yet. This is a good cart though. I mean, it's a Pickering. I don't remember the model number, but I like Pickering carts. So anyway, Micro Seki, I'm calling it done. And this may go off to a new home. I haven't decided yet. So anyway, just a real quick kind of follow-up to the Micro Seki Goodwill find, since I did put the new Tonearm on it. So, as always, if you like what you see, like it, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.